Crypto news for May 18, 2025. Crypto market highlights. May 19, 2025. The digital asset space continues to make headlines this week with major institutional moves, new financial products, and brewing regulatory shifts that could redefine the landscape of cryptocurrency. Let's break down today's top stories. Top stories 1. XRP Futures ETFs set to launch on CME. In a landmark development, the CME Group is launching XRP futures contracts today, marking the asset's most significant move toward institutional adoption since its legal battles with the SEC. Analysts believe this could pave the way for U.S. spot XRP ETFs, following in the footsteps of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. This move will open XRP exposure to a broader class of traders and institutional investors, potentially driving higher liquidity and stability. As CME is a trusted platform in traditional finance, this development signals that XRP is gaining legitimacy within regulated markets. What this means: expect increased XRP volatility in the short term, but this launch could catalyze long-term price growth if institutional demand follows. 2. Coinbase joins the S&P 500. In a groundbreaking announcement, Coinbase Global Incorporated has officially been added to the S&P 500 index, replacing Discover Financial Services. This historic inclusion represents the first time a cryptocurrency company has joined one of the most prestigious U.S. stock indexes. This move underscores the increasing mainstream acceptance of crypto and sets a precedent for other blockchain-based firms. It also exposes traditional investors and retirement funds that track the index to crypto indirectly via Coinbase. Market impact. Coinbase stock saw a surge in pre-market trading, and analysts are predicting further growth as passive index funds rebalance to include the exchange. 3. BlackRock buys $8.65 million in Ethereum. In a quiet but strategic move, BlackRock has acquired $8.65 million worth of Ethereum, using Coinbase as the facilitator. This is a major signal of institutional confidence in Ethereum as both a digital asset and a programmable financial platform. Coming amid growing speculation of a U.S. Ethereum ETF, this buy could be interpreted as BlackRock preparing its portfolio for future regulatory approval. Ethereum's recent upgrades and strong developer ecosystem further reinforce its appeal to institutional players. Why this matters? Institutional moves like this often precede larger adoption waves and could be early signs of Ethereum price expansion. Market updates. 1. Solana, Sol, flashes warning signs. Solana is currently trading at $165.40, with technical indicators pointing to a potential breakdown. Bearish momentum is building as short positions reach a monthly high, suggesting a decline in trader confidence. Analysts warn of a retracement to the $150 support level if the current downtrend continues. Network activity remains high, but traders are advised to proceed with caution. Investor takeaway: now may be a good time to watch for confirmation before entering new positions on Sol. 2. Bitcoin, BTC, pulls back after weekend surge. Bitcoin briefly surged above $105,000 on Sunday, triggering bullish excitement. However, the price has since cooled off, leading to speculation about a potential bull trap. Despite the dip, market sentiment remains optimistic due to ETF inflows and broader institutional participation. Still, traders are advised to monitor volume and resistance levels closely. Key level to watch: $102,000. If BTC dips below this, short-term momentum may shift bearish. Regulatory developments. Genius Act vote approaches. The U.S. Senate is preparing to vote on the Genius Act, a proposed bill aimed at regulating payment stablecoins like USDC and USDT. If passed, it would be the first comprehensive stablecoin regulation in the United States. The bill sets standards for reserves, audits, and issuer transparency, and would classify certain stablecoins as digital payment instruments under federal law. Industry reaction: while some view it as overreach, others believe it's a necessary step toward legitimizing and securing stablecoin use in the global economy. Other news: crypto security concerns on the rise. As crypto wealth continues to rise, so do concerns about personal safety. Reports indicate that wealthy crypto investors are hiring private security and bodyguards, citing increased incidents of kidnapping attempts and physical threats. The largely pseudonymous nature of crypto has made it a target-rich environment for criminals who see investors as unprotected and untraceable. Takeaway: security is becoming a major concern for high-net-worth individuals in crypto. Platforms and users alike need to adopt stronger security protocols, both digital and physical. Conclusion: May 19, 2025 has proven to be a pivotal day in the crypto world. From XRP entering futures trading to Coinbase joining the S&P 500, institutional walls are crumbling fast. Meanwhile, price action and regulatory steps show that the market is maturing, albeit not without turbulence. Stay tuned as we continue to track the most important developments shaping the future of crypto.